Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use AI PDF ChatGPT plugin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to make sure that you are using a ChatGPT Plus. So and then you can now tap on this GPT-4 and you'll be able to see the AI PDF. So you will just have to click on that and then wait for the blue check. So it means it is enabled. Okay. Now, um, go to the link or the URL of the PDF that you want to input in your chat GPT. So for example, this is uploaded in an online website. So I'm just going to get the URL of this PDF and then I will going to paste it here on my ChatGPT Plus. So right after pasting the URL, you will just have to click on this generate action, and then you will be able to get the answer that you want from the ChatGPT using the AI plugin. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.